every now and then in trigonometry, you're expected to simplify a trigonometric expression using a summation identity. And this is kind of backwards from what you're used to. We're used to saying, okay, we have this crazy thing here, tangent of two angles added together or subtracted or whatever. And we want to turn that into a whole bunch of individual tangents with single angles inside them. Well, in this case, I'm saying let's go backwards. Can we find a summation identity that will help us take cosine times cosine minus sine times sine into something? And cosine, cosine, sine, sine, this should be reminding us of something. Cosine changes the silly sign, right? So this is some kind of cosine of things. Now we need to figure out what what fills in here. I'm going to give myself more space. So cosine, you know what? Let me put that actual identity here. Let's grab this guy. It's going to be one of these. So you come over here. I'm going to use you. So cosine changes the silly sign. Well, if you look at this function, see how that has a minus sign in there? And I know it's cosines because it's cos, cos, and sine, sine. So I need an identity that ends up with a minus sign here, and I see this one right here. I know this is to be cosine of A plus B of some kind. Okay, so then it just becomes a question of what your angles are. Cosine of A plus B. Here, there we go. What are my angles? Well, I see a 39 degrees right there. And I see a negative 72. Okay, so this might be the hardest part. What's 39 minus 72? Oh boy. Oh, come on. It's late. Don't judge. Internet says it's 33 degrees. Great. So that becomes cosine of 33 degrees. And it's negative because it's 39 minus 72. Well, you might be able to say cosine of negative 33 degrees. Oh, it looks like that would be fine. Okay, because it's anything between negative 360 and 360 as the angle you choose. But I'm just going to remind you, because this is a good opportunity, of the even-odd identity. Okay. Cosine is an even function. So if you say cosine of negative 33, that is the same as cosine of positive 33. You could say either one. Okay, I just prefer a positive angle.